In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete SHEIN Order History. Quick heads up before we begin. At the time of recording, the SHEIN app doesn't include a built-in option to permanently delete your past orders. What I'll show you is where your order history lives and how to review and manage each order so you always know what's there and how to use it. Open the SHEIN app on your phone. In the bottom right corner, tap Me to open your account dashboard. This is your personal hub for profile settings, rewards, and purchases. Next, tap My Orders. This page is the central place where all your shopping activity is organized. You'll see your orders grouped into tabs. Unpaid shows checkouts you started but didn't finish. If payment isn't completed in time, these may cancel automatically. Processing means your order has been confirmed and is being prepared. Shipped indicates it's already on the way. Returns collects anything you've sent back or are in the process of returning. Completed shows orders that were delivered and finalized. This layout helps you quickly understand what needs attention. Because order history is tied to your account, there isn't a delete or clear button on these tabs. Retailers typically retain order records for customer service, delivery issues, returns, and other transactional needs, which is why you won't find a permanent removal option here. Tap any order to open its detail page. From there, you can track the shipment's progress, view full order details like items, sizes or colors, prices and discounts, see the shipping method, delivery address and payment summary, and when eligible, request a return or refund. The tracking number appears here as well, which you can use for carrier updates. The return or refund option launches a guided flow. Eligibility depends on the return window and the item's condition. A few helpful notes while you review your history. Orders move through these tabs as their status changes, so something placed today will start in processing, move to shipped, and land in completed after delivery. Status updates can take a little time, especially during busy periods, so don't worry if you don't see an immediate change. Your history reflects the account and region you're currently using, so the list may differ across accounts or storefronts. That's the tour of your order history on SHEIN.